Hello everyone, welcome to my trivia channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a subject that has bothered all of us at least once in our lives: hiccups. Why do we have hiccups? Let's find out together. Who has never had an unexpected and uncomfortable hiccup? The feeling that the diaphragm is involuntarily contracting can be quite unpleasant. But do you know what causes hiccups? In this video, we're going to explore some of the most interesting theories about this phenomenon. One of the most popular theories is that hiccups occur when we eat or drink too quickly. This can irritate the vagus nerve, which controls the diaphragm, causing it to contract involuntarily. Another theory is that hiccups are the body's way of expelling air trapped in the stomach. But why are hiccups so hard to stop? Some theories suggest that it's because the brain needs to reset the nervous system responsible for the diaphragm. This can lead to a sequence of hiccups that seems never-ending. Some people have even developed their own techniques to stop hiccups, such as holding their breath or drinking sugar water. So what do you think of these theories? Hiccups can be a nuisance, but they are also a source of curiosity for many people. Who knew that something as common as hiccups could have so many interesting explanations? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more trivia like this.